After the last adventure, which took place high in the air, we wanted to stay somewhat closer to the ground. We might have exaggerated a little bit because we went well underground 2 times. First visit was to Melissani cave, an iconic place for Kefalonia island, discovered in 1953 after an earthquake made the ceiling collapse. The tour is not that long, about 10 minutes, and it costs €7 per person, so might want to link it with another sightseeing as well. What's most impressive is that the water is about 15 meters deep and you can still see the bottom of it.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams.
After Melissani, we visited another cave, Drogarati. Entrance fee is €5. The cave has good acoustics, so it's used to host concerts, but only on certain time of the year.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but
For the rest of the day, Antisamos beach seemed like a good idea considering the proximity of the two places visited before. Here, since it was kinda cloudy, so not exactly a good day for tanning, I wanted to shoot some footage with my drone. €15 later and we were pedaling close to the beach where Nicolas Cage, Penelope Cruz, Christian Bale and John Hart played in a movie called Captain Corelli's Mandolin back in 2000. All this pedaling made us hungry, so we contributed to Greece economy with another €24. By the way, the food was great and we decided to come back again, which we did on our 7th day here.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
The plan for the next day was made over a dinner in Vlahata, which removed €40 from our pocket. Stay tuned!